In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then you need to click on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left one. Now copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it later on by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on your text over here. If you want to pin it, you can use this pen icon at the top right corner. Click on your text and use pin icon next to the pin one. Then unpin it the same way. To delete one of your saved sentences, use the same pen. Click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon next to the pin one instead. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!